Hello friends, welcome to DevOps World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Java libraries from lower version to higher version without deleting the existing Java libraries. So without any further delay, let's start. So first I'll type Java hyphen version. So as you see that I have already installed one lower version of Java, but still you don't know how to install the Java in RedHat operating system. So I highly recommend it to watch my previous video in where I have already explained how you can install any Java version based on your requirement. I have also given the link in the description section. From in description section also you can watch this video. So first I'll check what are the higher version are available in my Red Hat operating system. So if I give a yum list, so it will saying that we have two higher version of Java, that is the 11 Open JDK and Java 17 Open JDK. So based on your requirement, you can select either Java 11 or Java 17 which support your Java application. So for my demo purpose, I'll just select Java 11 as a higher version. But before I go to install this Java 11, I would like to inform you that if you go now and install any higher version of Java, so what happened? The system will override your existing Java install path to higher Java version, and you lost the path which you have the install the previous Java version. So in that case, in future you need to be work again in the lower version. So in that case you don't have the path to again point out your Java application to lower version. So first we will create one Java environment variable. So I'll just clear this screen. I'll go to etc. So all the application of libraries are installed under the etc folder. So so once we go to etc folder, so here we will get the Java installation path. So I'll just give rhrth. So here you able to see the alternatives one folder is there. So you need to go to this alternatives folder, and again you need to expand this folder. So here you able to see one JRE OpenJDK, JRE 1.80. So this is the denoting the path where they have installed the Java libraries. So this is the our main installation path. So I'll just copy here. So now we have to create one external variable, and in that variable we need to be point out this Java installation path. So I'll just clear this screen. So how we will create this variable? So for that we need to go to this bash rc file where we can create a external variable, and also we will give the instruction to system to recognize that variable as a Java installation path instead of pointing out to default installation path. So I'll just go here, enter, and just give export Java home. So this is a global defined variable, means it is a standard variable name. Whenever we need to create a Java installation path, we have to keep this Java name. So I'm not going to be change any different name. I'm going to be use the same global variable name, that is called Java underscore home. And here we will put the value of the variable of the existing installed Java version. So here now we have already given our previous Java installation path. Now we have created the variable, but how the system will recognize? So for that we need to export this Java underscore home variable and need to be assigned into the path. So I'll just give here dollar java underscore home slash bin. So till JRE, it is the installation path and bin folder where all the Java libraries are there. So either you can also give bin directly in this path, or you can also append the externally. So I'm using like this, so you can also directly give a slash bin here also, so you don't need to be mentioned explicitly bin here. So I'll just again point out the path. So like this, we have created one Java variable, external Java variable, and we have assigned the existing installed Java version. So now the question will arise, why we need to be create this external file. So when we create this Java variable, so what happened? You can remove or you can add whenever you are going to be install any higher version. So if you do not create any explicitly Java variable, so what happened, the default Java variable which is created by system will always override whenever you install any new Java version. So you're not able to point out back to your Java version. So for that same purpose, to keep our Java old installation path, that purpose we are going to be create this Java home. And once we install a new Java version, so this Java home of a variable, we need to update the path of the new installed Java version. So in this video, you are going to be see that like how I'm going to be replaced. So currently we have created the variable, we have assigned the variable into the path. Just save it. To reflect these changes, we need to run a command that is called source. So source command will help us to make all the changes available in this file. So I'll just did enter source. If I type env, that is environment command, so you're able to see now path have this Java install path which we have explicitly given to the system. It is not coming from the default variable which is created by the system. It is coming from the variable which we have created explicitly. So if you would like to check using this also, so as you see that we are getting this Java version. So now we have created the Java external variables. Now we are good to install Java higher version. So I'll just again type this command. So here I'm going to direct take any Java version. So I'm just taking Java 11 as a demo purpose. But based on your requirement, either you require Java 11 or 17. So based on that, you can upgrade to any Java version. So I'm just going to be install this Java 11 OpenJDK. I did yum install and Java 11 OpenJDK. So I did enter. So it's going to be installed Java 11. I do yes. So as you see that we have installed successfully Java OpenJDK. So now we are wondering, if I give a Java hyphen version, so what version it will be pointing by the system? It will be the remain the old one, or it will going to be point out the new version which we have installed just recently. So let's see what version we are getting. So as you see that still system pointing out to the old installation version. Why? Because we have explicitly given the command to system to always point out Java underscore home variable. Either I install any number of different types of Java version, but still it will pointing out to old Java version. So this will help us to give the privilege whenever based on our requirement we can change the Java underscore home variable content. Either we need to point out the previous version or we need to be point out the higher version. So it will give the benefit whenever we need to be roll back to again the previous version. So in that case, just we need to be update the installation path into our java underscore home variable. So now currently it's pointing out to old variable. Now how we can point out our system into the latest java version. So for that, again I'll go to cde sorry etc, and again I go to alternatives folder. So whatever the java you will install, either you install many different types of java versions, so all the java libraries you will get inside this alternative. So I'll again extend. So as you see that we have this java 11 here. So we are interested in java this jdk. So here we have this java 11 installation path. So I'll just take this path and I save here. So just take. So this one is like our old version, and this one is pointing to new version. So currently my system is pointing to old version because we have given the instruction like that. So now we need to be command our system to point out this older version to new version. So again to point out that, what we need to do, again we will create we need to update this java home variable. So again I'll just go to one path before vi batch rc. So here we have updated this java 1.8, which is the older version. Now we need to be replace this install path from older version to new version, so that my application will recognize the latest java version. So I'll just copy this and I'll just so if you don't want to remove like this mention path for your previous version, so you can also do comment out. Okay, there is no issue. And again you create the same variable name for your new install java version. So this one give you the flexibility so that whenever you need to be go to your previous version, you just need to be uncomment this export for line, and you need to comment again the latest one, so that like this you can switch to from lower to higher to lower version. So they will give you the full flexibility. So where which java version you need to be use in your application, either lower one or higher one. Based on that you can switch in that between. So I have already given here this java latest path 11, and already I mentioned the bin here. Not anything not going to be changed because we are using the same variable. Just instead of the previous data, we are going to be use the java 11, and we just give the bin, and again we save this file. And to make reflect these changes, we need to run this again source command. So I'll just enter it. Okay, I'll just clear the screen. Again I give env. So as you see that our path 11 is also mentioning, and 1.8 is also coming. So this is the global path. Whatever the path you have defined, it will taken care by both the path. But how will you get the difference? Like, okay, we have upgraded to java version, so that we need to run java hyphen version. So now as you see that we migrated or we upgraded into java 1.8 to java 11.0.20. So like this you can upgrade your Java version. But now question is arise now, okay, we have upgraded to Java 11 and we are working on the latest Java libraries, but now I'm facing some challenges to work in this latest Java version, and I need to again roll back to Java 1.8.0. So again, how we can roll back? So in this case, you as I said, you need to be just uncomment that file. So again you go to here. So now you are facing, suppose you are facing some challenges and you don't want to be again in the latest version, and you need to be switch back to your old version. So just uncomment this part and comment the latest Java version. So like this you can switch between higher version to lower version to higher version. So it will give you the full flexibility to change the Java version, which Java version you want to work for your Java application. So here it's very benefit, give you the very benefit based on your requirement. So I'll again save, and again I'll just do source command to make the changes reflect in my file. So if I give again Java version, so what do you think, friends? It should be give me Java 11 or Java 1.8. So if I give the enter, it will give me the Java 1.8.0, because we instructed to our system to point Java underscore home variable to Java 1.8. So like this, you can revert back your Java version from higher version to lower version without deleting or without altering any your installation file. Just switching the path between to higher version to lower version, and you can upgrade to higher version. But we are most focusing about the upgrade part. So again, I'm just going to be change the part, but here I'll give you this showed you this trick, so that whenever you think like, okay, I need to be again delete the previous path, again I need to be update with the latest path. So sometimes you forget the path where the path you have mentioned for the previous older version. So in that case, that's why I have created two same variable with the different Java version path, so that whenever you need to be switched to any older version to higher version to lower, so you don't need to be think like what path I need to be give, or you need to be recall again what path should be there in the previous time. So just you need to be comment uncomment between that variable, and you are good to upgrade any Java version, and also you can roll back to your Java version 2. So I'll just give Java version. So as you see that now you have upgraded to Java latest version. So like this, friend, you can upgrade to any Java version based on your requirement. I have also showed the command where you will get the all the list of Java libraries, and from that Java libraries you can choose any version which were required for your application. So I hope you that, friends, you have liked this video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload any new informative video, so you will get the notification. So for today, guys, thank you.